The new substation started out being needed for one major reason, which was the substation that was there was insufficient for the operation of the officers, for the officers to work out of. And then it grew from there into the substation, which is what it's become.
We've always had a substation in Flour Bluff. This one is just new, it's better, it's been completely rebuilt. It's actually within the community and within the area of responsibility, so that makes us efficient and more responsive. And then for the residents, it gives them the opportunity to stop in. If they need to make any kind of a report, or if they just need to ask a question, they can do that.
A substation as a whole that we're working out of there are 30 plus 5 lieutenants and a captain, so make 36. Plus we will add a 37th for now, which will man it during the day. So there'll be a total of 37 officers of 3 ranks working out of that substation.
It's going to have all of the paperwork and equipment that the officers are going to need. We have the benefit of having the uniformed officer that's going to be there, during your normal operation hours, so the community can come in. We'll also have a property room, so that's something new, so the officers, for some of the things, they don't have to come all the way into the main station, and that'll make us more efficient. They can just drop off stuff there, get it done, and they can get right back out and answer calls for service.
The residents of Flour Bluff are fortunate because they are getting the first one of these, and they will have better access to the police department than most, and so they're very fortunate to have that. It's something that will grow over time to what I believe will be a 24-hour operation in the future.